Hello, I'm in a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica, and today I'm going to show you how to change between metric and the US standard, so like miles to kilometers or Fahrenheit to Celsius. So first you're going to make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this currently is, and then we'll go to settings, and then units, and then here we can do the US or the metric, or in custom if you want it in a different, for whatever reason. Say you want one in Fahrenheit and the other in kilometers, you can do that too. And then miles per hour or kilometers per hour. I'm in the United States, so I'll have them all on the miles. But once you change them, it'll just automatically change it through the vehicle. But that's it. I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.